Syllabus for August English Pre Class 4. Definition of adverb. An adverb qualifies a verb, an adjective, or an other adverb. For example, fastly, slowly, neatly, softly, loudly. Examples: Ali ran fastly. Number 2, the old man is walking slowly. Ali writes neatly. She speaks softly. Ahmed is playing music loudly. Essay. Qaid-e-Azam, also included the syllabus of August Class 4. Qaid-e-Azam is our national hero. He was the founder of Pakistan. He was born on December 25, 1876 in Karachi. His father, Puja Jana, was a merchant. He got his early education in Karachi. Then he went to abroad for higher education. He returned to India after 4 years. He started his practice in Bombay as a lawyer. He also took part in politics. In 1940, he demanded that India should be divided into 2 states, India and Pakistan. As a result of his endless efforts, Pakistan came into being on August 14, 1947. He died on September 11, 1948.